What's up friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Telegram on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So go ahead and do a search for your Play Store. Go ahead and open up the Play Store. Once you're here, just simple type in Telegram. Right, once you start to type Tele, you will start to see Telegram appear, and you just need to install that application. It will take a moment to install, very fast, but once this is installed, you were able to set up and use your Telegram. So I'm going to just allow it a moment to download the application here. And as you can see, my Telegram application is finished. All I need to do is tap on open here. Then I just need to click on start messaging. Click continue. It will ask, click allow. It will detect your phone number. So all you have to do is just go ahead and choose next. Click continue. Click allow again. It will basically automatically detect this code that you need to fill in. You just need to go ahead and fill in a name. So I'm going to simply put in the name there. Last name is optional. Leave it as that. I'm going to go ahead and tap on next. Click on accept. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys. Or you can basically go ahead and have Telegram download and install on your phone so that you can easily use it. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.